Ever wanted to automatically discover hidden groups within your data, revealing crucial insights you might otherwise overlook? Today, we're exploring clustering in Tableau, a powerful technique for grouping similar data points together. Think of it as a smart way to let Tableau find patterns for you. Clustering is a statistical method that groups data based on their similarity, like customers with similar buying habits or products with comparable features. Tableau makes it surprisingly easy to apply. First, in your chosen view, find the Analytics pane. You'll see it offers a way to drag different types of analysis to your sheet. Drag the cluster option from the Analytics pane onto your visualization. The dialog box will appear. Tableau automatically calculates the optimal number of clusters. Here, you can specify the variables to base the clustering on, and adjust key settings as needed. You can also change the number of clusters created. Tableau then creates and visually separates clusters, usually represented by different colors or shapes, making it easy to see the groupings. Hovering over different clusters reveals important statistics about each cluster, allowing for quick analysis. This provides valuable context and aids interpretation. From customer segmentation to market basket analysis, clustering provides a foundation to better understand your data, uncovering hidden insights with Tableau. This powerful analytical technique is at your fingertips to help you mine your data for the answers.